added her to the shelf. And if anyone has anything to say about it, they're getting replaced.
All right, let's see. Painting a horse short. Toya and Bella. Turning red. Nope, none of us there. Barbie, it takes two. Barbie, it takes two again. Toya and Bella. Mini brands, mermaids, Bella and Toya again. That makes 9. 9 thumbnails.
What's going on? Toya hasn't used a doll on the shelf in the last 9 thumbnails. We're not happy about it.
It wasn't on purpose. It just kind of happened. You know, like YouTube Live sometimes has Bella and I on the thumbnail, and then we did like some unboxings, the turning red inspired dolls. Okay, so that was an open casting call. I knew it! What does all this mean? Is she not using dolls from the shelf anymore? You want me to fix it? Fine. Brooklyn and Malibu, here are your uniforms. Congratulations, you've just been added to the shelf. Brooklyn, you are now London, and Malibu, your new name is Savannah. All right, now 2 of the last 9 thumbnails have dolls from the shelf. Happy?
No! New dolls.
This is my 300th job.
Priyanka, can you give me a little bit more? You're looking a little tense. Is everything okay? Well, you know, it's just another food photo shoot. What is this? I thought you would be happy to get the thumbnail. Take that spider plant into the kitchen. No, better yet, upstairs into one of the bedrooms. All right, this makeover is coming along. All I need now is to figure out who's the model. Well, it's kind of like a continuation from the Malibu house and the townhouse video. Maybe I should go with London and Savannah.
They've already been on 3 thumbnails in the last 2 weeks. I don't know anyone who gets that much work. Well, maybe Mikasa.
I'm in the same boat as the rest of you. Y'all shady. Wow. Okay, fine. Let's go with Mira. What? Really? Me? I thought you didn't need me anymore, but I won. Oh. Why are you crying? I don't have time for this. Where's Mikasa? No. I can pull it together. See? I'm doing my best to try to make everyone happy around here. They were mad that the dolls on the thumbnails weren't dolls from the shelf. So I made the dolls on the thumbnails dolls on the shelf. Problem solved. But were they happy? No. You can't keep adding dolls to the shelf. Yeah, it's getting kind of crowded.
How are they talking? Weren't they just added? Yeah.
Has nobody noticed that Savannah looks completely different?
Mind your business, Destiny.
Okay, yes, I changed Savannah to fashionista number 165 and hoped that no one would notice because if I told y'all would start to panic. Replacements without notice. Okay, in hindsight, I can see how that would be upsetting. How about this? In the future, I will tell you when I plan on making changes to the lineup.
So she's admitting there are going to be more changes in the future. I can't take any more changes.
Hey, Jules, I'm changing y'all's uniforms. What do you think?
Ah!
What? Too many changes? Okay, it's my last one, promise.
Hi, I'm Chase. And yo, I'm Kevin. We're new. I have the Rafa head from the Barbie Big City Big Dreams on the green hair BMR 1959 made to move body. And I am the Ken from the Barbie It Takes Two camping set on the Ken Fashionista number 167. Man, I barely get any work as it is.
This is getting out of control, for real. Okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna add any more dolls, but let's not forget whose company this is. Stardate 5022022. These are the craft projects of the starship My Froggy Stuff, whose 5-year mission is to spread creativity and find new ways to use hot glue.
Sorry to interrupt, but we're ready to start.
Oh yeah, right. Work. Tell Madison to come to the set.
Oh, I'm here.
Oh, perfect. Just head over to wardrobe and we can get started.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Why wasn't I booked for this job? My name is literally Cat Janeway. As in Captain Janeway from Voyager.
I booked Madison because she hasn't been on a thumbnail in a while. I'm trying to be fair so everyone gets a chance to shine. You have a problem with that?
Whatever, she can have it. No one watches your sci-fi videos anyway.
Ouch, but kinda true.
What? I don't want to be on the thumbnail of a video that nobody watches.
It's not like we get 0 views. We'll get some.
No thanks. I'll hold out for the next mermaid video.
What? I love sci-fi. This is my most favorite room ever. I've been working so hard trying to make everyone around here happy. And I've had it up to here. I like this room, so I'm gonna be on the thumbnail. You all hear that? How you gonna tell me nobody watches my sci-fi videos? I hope somebody watches. When people talk about me, I want them to say, that Mini Toya is a great boss. But do I get that? No. All these dolls do is complain.
Toya is out of control.
I am not out of control. Okay, yes, I've added a few dolls to the shelf recently.
A few? Try 4.
Whatever. That doesn't mean I have a problem. Y'all stressing me out. I'm going to Target.
Fiona, quick! Hide her keys!
I've been working really hard on trying to make everyone happy, and I know that Madison wasn't happy about the sci-fi shoot and wanted to be a mermaid, so check this out! I made a mermaid tail out of hot glue! This took forever! I might have gotten burned a few times, but you know what? I think it'll all be worth it when I see how happy the dolls are. Hey Madison, you want to see what you're wearing in your next photo shoot?
What is it?
It's a mermaid tail. You know, you were asking for a mermaid photo shoot, so I made one.
Oh. What's with that color?
Oh, I was going for a Mako Mermaids H2O kind of vibe.
You should have made it pink.
What? There is just no pleasing some of these dolls. They complain, I make a change, they complain again. It is impossible to please everyone, so you know what? I'm just gonna do what I want. Curvy Mikasa, you're on the team. But we do need to come up with a new name. Can't keep calling you Curvy Mikasa. Yeah, I added her to the shelf. And if anyone has anything to say about it, they're getting replaced.
There are too many dolls on the shelf as it is. Maybe we need to replace Mini Toya. Who's with me? No.
I would suggest staying out of it. This isn't going to end well for Madison. Madison trying to stage a coup. Alrighty. I would like to invite you to the shelf as our newest member.
Oh my goodness! This is like the best day ever!
Awesome! A space just became available, so this works out great. Here's your uniform. Welcome to the team, Perla. Can somebody remove Madison's name from the doll stand? So that's been life on the shelf. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, The Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time. Bye! Hey, Mom. Yeah, sorry I couldn't answer the phone. I was filming. What? There's a new Vera Wang Barbie. Meet me at the store!